have not gone thrifting in like a minute, like a literal minute. It's just been so long, and now that I have gone, I feel so good to just finally get out there and like find some goods to share with you guys. Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Sherry. Welcome. So today I have yet another thrift haul for you guys, and I'm excited to share it with you. So for this video, I don't have a particular theme or anything like that. I probably will have one for my next video, kind of like a 2022 spring theme haul or spring themed thrift haul. But today there's like no theme. It's just kind of like random things that I picked up and thought were cool. So before I get started, what do you guys think of my new hair? I personally love it. I am obsessed with it. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. And also I did it myself. How cool is that? Look at that. Blonde. I feel like it's just a perfect amount of blonde to just give myself that little edge, that little kick of kind of what I was needing in a while. So yeah. Today I'm gonna be sharing with you guys some accessories. So my last few videos, I thrifted a bunch of bags, like designer bags. Well, not really designer bags, but a knockoff designer bag. I found more. I don't know what it is, but I found more, and I just wanted to add it to my collection of designer knockoff bags. So before I move on into sharing with you guys what I picked up, stay tuned till the end of this video. Don't go anywhere because I'm going to be doing a little mini giveaway for you guys, so stick around. So my last video, I found a bunch of like Louis Vuitton bags, and I don't know what it is, but every time I go to the thrift store, I always find Louis Vuitton. I don't know why people are just giving it away. So most likely these things here that I'm going to be sharing with you guys are like knockoffs. Again, I don't know. People always tell me that there's like a serial number inside, but I never looked into it. So I'm just going to share with you guys what I got. Okay, so this is the first bag that I found. This one over here, I think this one was... Do I have the tag on here? Oh, it's like, oh, I was gonna say, I think this one was $39.99, but then I just remembered it wasn't. It was only $8.49. So I have the tag in there still. It's only $8.49 for this bag. So this is what it looks like. It looks pretty good. Like, it doesn't even look like there's any wears on it or anything like that. Still looks pretty good. Inside as well, probably used a couple times. It's not dirty or anything like that. The quality seems pretty good too. Like, it seems like it's in pretty good condition. Like, look at that. I don't know the style of bag this is, or if this is an actual legit style, or if they just kind of made one with this Louis Vuitton pattern. But inside, there is nothing for me to determine anything. So I think it was supposed to come with a strap, but it didn't. So it would have been nice to kind of wear on the side with like the little crossbody strap, but it didn't have one. But it's okay. I could probably find something that I can use to put that on, like something that matches this, or maybe find it at the thrift store, because there's a bunch of bag straps that they usually sell there. So I'll have to definitely check that out. But this was only $9, $8.49 or like $8.50, whatever. So this was a good find. So I don't know, I'll probably get some good use out of this in the summertime. Kind of makes me look like a businesswoman in some way. The next bag that I picked up was another Louis Vuitton bag. So this is the one. This is the one that was actually 40 bucks. So this was $39.99 at the thrift store, or specifically Value Village. So again, I don't know. I found these two at the same time. I think I found this one first, and then I found this one. I'm like, do I need both? But you can clearly tell the difference in the color, but the quality looks crisp to this one and this one as well. This one I'm not sure. Like, I don't know if there's any authentication on this one. Like, it does have the stamps on the inside, and over here it has the emblem on this little lock, so it says the LV logo on there. So I'm guessing this is a knockoff because there is no serial numbers or anything inside, but it's okay. It still looks like it's in good quality. The hardware does also have the little logo on there, so that's cute. And I think this one too is supposed to come with a crossbody strap as well. I don't know, but it didn't come with one, which is okay. But again, I don't know the style of bag that this is. If you guys know how to determine how to find the style of a bag, let me know. Usually I would just Google Louis Vuitton bags, but I don't know if there's another way that you're supposed to do that. But if you do know, let me know in the comment section down below. And then my other doggy wants to say hi. She wants to be in the video too, like always. Okay, so these are the only two Louis Vuittons that I found, or like knockoffs. The next purse that I picked up was this Moschino purse right here. This is so cute. I just saw it from afar and I'm like, oh my god, so cute. And I don't even know if this is a strap that it's supposed to come with, or if whoever had this just put it on. Like, I don't know if this is the actual way it's supposed to look like, but it looks like it matches the hardwares on here. So I don't know, but it just does look pretty cute altogether, depending on like the outfit that I'll be wearing. This bag right here, I think it was pretty cheap too as well. Let me see if I have a tag inside. Oh yes, it was $5. It was $4.99 for this beautiful Moschino purse. Has kind of like, not really quilted design, but kind of like little quilted pattern. So I don't know, I just thought it was really cute to kind of add on kind of like a cash outfit. So really happy that I picked this one up. So I didn't find these purses at the same thrift stop. I got the Louis Vuitton ones at a different one, and I went back and then I found this one, I think 3 days after. But yes, always to add something to my collection, which is always so fun. So the next purse that I found was another good find. Well, for me it was a good find because again, these are all it's gonna be for myself. So I don't care if it's real or not. But I found this cute Prada bag. It kind of reminds me of like the Longchamp style, just the way the material is and the way that it flaps over like this. But I picked it up because it was only $5. So I was surprised that this was only $5 at the thrift store or Value Village, because Value Village always overprices their items. But for this Prada like purse, I mean, why not? Again, this was supposed to have some kind of straps to it. And I do like the purses that have like the straps so I can wear it on the side. But again, I probably can find a black strap with one of my other purses, or I can thrift one. But yeah, this is what it looks like. So cute still. I don't know, like from afar, you don't really care. Like I'm using it for myself. It doesn't really have crazy overwears or tears. Probably just kind of like the strap right here, which is fine. Like it's not like I'm going to use it all the time or put heavy things in it. I can probably find a way to fix it, but it's fine. Inside it also has the Prada little stamp like thing in here, but nothing else inside here. So still looks pretty good, and it's good enough for me, so I'm quite content. So those are the only 4 bags that I got from this, well, not this thrift, but like from my thrift adventure. Okay, so the next few pieces are like tops and a scarf. So I'm kind of going on a theme here. It's kind of like a designer label theme or designer brand theme. So the bags were Louis Vuitton, Moschino, and Prada. And then I found another scarf right here. So this is kind of like Burberry, but it's not like Burberry inspired scarf. It doesn't have a Burberry label on it. It just says Pashmina on there, but it's still cute. This was actually new in a package. It was wrapped up in plastic and cardboard, whatever, and I just took it out, and it was this was $5.99. It was, yeah, $5.99. Although I don't think I'll be wearing it anymore because it is starting to warm up, but you never know here in Winnipeg. It's like the beginning of April, and we had another crazy snowfall the other day when the ice or the roads are super icy. So you never know. But this is the scarf. I probably could wear it as a top if I wanted to. Just wear it like this. It's together with the tag still, so that's why it kind of looks like this. But if I wear it like that, I could probably wear a little halter top in the summer, which would be pretty cute. What do you guys think about that? Okay, the next thing, it might be so the next top here, I don't know why I picked it up. It's kind of a little out there for me, but I just picked it up because I thought it was cute and I probably can do something with it. It's this top right here. This was giving me Gucci vibes with the green and the red stripe there, but I don't know, are these butterflies? So it has like butterfly detailing on it. This is what the whole shirt looks like here. And then if you look closely on this little emblem here, it's like YSL. I could be wrong, but it's like Gucci collaborated with YSL and made a top that looks like this. But obviously it's not, like, but I thought it was cute. It has a little hood. It's like a little velvet kind of material. This was $10 or $9 actually. It was $8.99 for this. But I was thinking I would wear it, but I probably would crop it. I would crop it and wear it with some Y-bottom slacks or something like that and sneakers of some sort. Hopefully I could do that cropping before the summer hits because this material seems like it's going to be very warm. Or maybe I should just keep it. I don't know. Should I just keep it and not crop it and then just kind of like tuck it in under my bra to make it look like it's cropped? I don't know. Maybe I will. Maybe I don't want to ruin it because it does look cute like this. But yeah, this was a top. I don't know, I just found something very intriguing because again, like Gucci and then YSL at the same time. But whatever, you know me. I like to be bougie on budget. Okay, then I got two more things. This one is not anything crazy or like wow factor or anything like that. But lately I've been kind of looking into more button-up shirts, oversized button-up shirts, or just button-up shirts that I can crop to be more in like season and on trend. Because a lot of the button-up shirts that I see are cropped and they look something like this, and I kind of like how that style looks. And when I do go shopping at the mall and go to these fast fashion stores, I see a lot of those styles and I'm like, I like that, but I probably can find that at a thrift store and just crop it myself. So I picked up this. This is the top that I picked up. It's kind of like a crushed velvet or something material. And I don't know, I just kind of like the material. It's a little bit different than just a regular cotton kind of button-up, like dress shirt vibe. So I think that this will be good. I don't know, I haven't tried any of these on. This is a size medium. It's not going to be too like wide or anything. It might just be fitted enough for me, but I do want to just crop it a little bit like that and just wear it with some high-waisted pants. And who knows, I might use the bottom half of it to make like a top, tank top or something like that. I don't want to waste too much material. I could probably, if I take that much off of the length, then I can probably make it into like a nice little tank top like I just said, or like a corset tank top. But yeah, this one was $7.99. And then there was another one that I saw there. I was holding it as well when I picked it up. It was the exact same one, but in kind of like a forest green. But I was like, I don't need both, so I'll just pick the black one because black can definitely go with anything, and the sleeves are long enough for me to wear and not be like, oh, it's so short. But yes, these are all the clothing pieces that I found at this thrift stop. And yeah, the last thing that I found was this trolley here, and I was wanting one of these for a while just to kind of put all of my tools for hairstyling and stuff like that. I don't know if any of you guys know, but I work as a hairstylist. That's why I was able to do my own hair like this. At home, I also have like a little station, so I just have like random drawers at home. So having this drawer, I think would save some space because I can just throw everything all in there because it has like multiple drawers. And I was looking at these kind of drawers at Michael's, and I think, I'm not sure at the top of my head, I'll put it on the screen because I could be wrong, but I think that they were going for like 60, 70 bucks or something for these kind of trolleys. Again, if I'm wrong, you'll see the actual price here from Michael's, but they had it at the thrift store for 20 bucks, so not so bad. I mean, I've bought purses more than that, so having a trolley where I can just store all of my tools would be perfectly fine. So I picked that up. All I gotta do is just clean it up, sanitize it, and then I'm gonna store all my fun goods in there, and then I'll be set and organized in my little station at home. All right, so that's all for the items that I thrifted. And now that you made it here at the end of the video, did mention that I was gonna do a little giveaway, and this is a portion here where I'm gonna share with you guys what I'm gonna be giving away. I might do things like this maybe like once a month if I find something good, but I'm gonna be giving away items that I find at the thrift store, like things that I think are cute, but probably what I would want to give to you guys for like watching me and just being interested in what I have to show. So a few videos back, I did say that I thrifted some Louis Vuitton purses, and you probably saw them if you guys are an avid watcher or viewer of mine. So this is what I'm going to be giving away to one of you guys out there. So that's actually the back. This is the front right here. So I'm going to be giving this purse away to one of you guys who want a chance to win this. So I thrifted this. This obviously, you know, is a knockoff Louis Vuitton. So I have many purses already that I thrifted, so why not share the wealth with you guys? So this is what I'm going to be giving to one lucky winner. So if you want this purse, it's a cute purse, little crossbody purse like that. All you have to do is just read my rules in my description box down below, and I'll have everything that you need to do to enter this giveaway. It's not gonna be anything crazier like that. There's no skill testing questions or anything. Simple things like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment down below what is the best thing that you found at the thrift store so far, and head over to my Instagram for bonus points to enter in this giveaway draw. And then I'm not sure when I'm going to find the winner. I will post it down below or on the screen when the winner will be chosen. So definitely keep an eye out on your DMs, because I will choose the winner via Instagram. So yes, again, you will be winning this lovely purse right here. So if you guys enter, good luck. Other than that, that is it. So I thank you guys for watching this thrift haul of mine, and stay tuned to my next one. I probably will be doing more clothing thrifts, more kind of like spring outfit inspos. So yeah, that is it for today, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.